Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we will show you the product assembly of the CASA 7C book. Let's start by opening the product out. For step 1, we will require product item number C, G and H products, and 3 of F. For step 1, we're going to start. Part H, we're going to insert into the screws here. Then parts G. Once it's tightened, we're going to slot in parts F. Step 2, we're going to be using 6 part I's just to lock part F in place. Step number 3, we're going to be laying over the product that we just built to insert 2 parts F into here along with 4 parts G and H. So let's start again with fitting the screws on. Part H. Parts G. Parts F go into insert. Just align them up. Step number 4, we're going to be using 4 part I's to lock in part F. When putting a product aside, don't put too much of pressure or you can damage the bottom parts. Step number 5, we're going to be using part A to align with the products using parts G and H. Let's start with part H, and when aligned, the grooves must be facing each other at the bottom. Step 6, we're going to be using part I to lock in part A cable. product along with 4 part G and part H. Step 8, we're using part I to lock. Step number 9, we're using part E with part G and H to align with the product. Step number 10, we're going to be using part I to lock in. Step number 11, we're going to be using 2 parts Ds to align in between the grooves of the main part. Step number 12, we're going to be using part number E along with parts G and H to fit to the main product. And we'll be slotting parts E into the main frame. When aligned, ensure the grooves. Step 30, we can be using 6-piece I and part L, 32 pieces. Second part, I'm using part L just to cover the lock. Step 40, we're going to be inserting part J, which is the feet, into the product. When pressing in, it'll be easiest to knock in with a hammer. Step 14 done. Step 15, we're going to be using part K to mount onto the boards. I'll do the same for the other side. Step 16, this is an optional extra, which involves a bracket, a fisher plug, 2 screws, which you can use a drill to mount into the wall. Please refer to our manual. Thank you for watching our product summary of the Casa 7C book. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to visit more products. Thank you.